Hi, I'm Phoebe Vest. I actually go by a nickname, which is Zanny. It's spelled Xannie, but that's hard, and I have not figured out how to change my display name. So feel free to call me Phoebe or Zanny. Either one is just fine. I graduated from college 30 years ago, and in all my varied work experience since then, I have no experience in social work. I have for many years and probably decades been thinking about wanting to pursue some sort of work in clinical therapy. I've honestly been too scared and I was really reluctant because I thought that if I was doing my own personal work, how could I possibly be in a position to help anybody else? And I finally, more recently, reconciled that within myself and come to believe that I could be supportive and help somebody else. Also, my son was diagnosed with dyslexia about 8 years ago, and since then I've been really interested in advocacy for learning differences. So it finally seemed like the right time to go back to school, see where it would take me. I do have teenagers now, so I have a bit more time on my hands than I used to. Not a lot more time, but more than when they were little. They have longer school days these days. So that definitely seemed like the right time to be pursuing my own further education. But because I have teenagers and because I work part-time, I'm pretty anxious about getting it all done and fitting in my schoolwork. So that does cause me a lot of stress, as I'm sure it does everybody else. But I'm really looking forward to meeting everybody. I've enjoyed watching the videos I've seen so far. I'm glad I'm not the only one coming to education again at a sort of different stage in life. And I look forward to talking to you all soon. Bye.